Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install latest Python on your Mac. Before we begin the installation, let's see what's the version of Python that is installed currently on my Mac. To do that, I'm going to open Spotlight Search by pressing Command Space, and then I'm going to type terminal. There you go, terminal is open for me. Let me increase the font size. To check the Python version installed on my Mac, I'm going to type Python 3 version. This command is going to give me the version of Python that is currently in use on my Mac. Let me hit enter. There you go. I am using 3.10.7 on my Mac. Now after closing this terminal, I am going to begin installing the latest version of Python on my Mac. The first step will be to start Chrome, and you can start any browser of your own choice. In the search bar of Chrome, we are going to type download Python and hit enter. Now we are going to click on the first search result. That is from the website www.python.org. Let's click on it. And it has taken us to the official website of Python, where it says download the latest version for macOS. You can see that the latest version of Python available is 3.13.5. So we are going to click on this yellow button which says download Python 3.13.5. And it is asking me in which location I want my package to be downloaded. So I want to download it in the downloads folder. So I'm going to click on save. In a fraction of a second, the package is downloaded. So we are going to open it from here. You can also go into the downloads folder and open this package from there, but I would want to open it from here. So I'm going to click on it. You can see the Python installer is open. I'm going to click on continue. And now we are at the second screen. So again, you are going to click continue. You will hit continue again. What does it say? To continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. All right. So of course, you'll have to agree to install Python. So you are going to click on agree. It says standard install on Macintosh HD. It also says that it's going to take 182.2 MB of space on your computer. So now after this, you are going to click on the install button. The time has come to install Python finally on your Mac. All right, it's asking me for the password. It's going to ask for the password to you too, and we have no choice but to enter it. Don't worry, we are doing it to install Python on our Mac. Now you are going to click on install software, and there you go, the installation has begun. It is pacing really well. And there you go, we are almost there. Awesome, it says the installation was completed successfully. Congratulations, Python 3.13.5 for macOS 10.13 or later was successfully installed. This is really a satisfying message. So now what you are going to do, you are going to close the installer. And it says, do you want to move the Python installer to the bin? I don't need it, and you will also not need it after the installation has happened. So you should also click on move to bin. Now we are going to open terminal again, and we are going to check the latest Python version installed on our Mac. After Python is installed, you will have to do one more activity. That is to update the path variable. To do that, you are going to open the Spotlight search by pressing Command Space, and then you are going to type terminal. You open the terminal, and over here you are going to write which Python 3. Hit enter, and this is going to give you the location of your Mac where Python lives. You can see for me it's still pointing to 3.10, but let's check if 3.13.5 is successfully installed or not. So what I'm going to do, and what you should do, is to copy the path till here and write ls-l and paste this path. You hit enter. You can see that 3.13 does exist, and it was installed on June 16, which is the date of recording this video. So we have installed 3.13, but when we do Python 3 version, you can see it is not pointing to it. So the solution is to update the path variable. All we are going to do is write export path in caps equals to, within double quotes, we will copy this entire path again till here, paste it within double quotes, and after the forward slash, after the last forward slash, we will write 3.30. That's the latest Python version installed. We'll again write forward slash and then we'll write pin followed by a colon, and then we are going to write path, and then you will hit enter, and there you go. Let's check the Python version again. So we'll write Python 3 hyphen hyphen version, and there you go. It is pointing to Python 3.13.5 now. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install latest Python on your Mac from this video of Choice Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.